We started our day at the Arizona Spillway. The last time this spillway was used was 1983 when gas was only 93 cents a gallon. The Hoover Dam is able to generate roughly 4.5 billion kilowatt hours yearly. That's enough energy to power more than 400,000 average American homes. When Lake Mead is full, it contains enough water to completely cover Pennsylvania in 1 foot of water. From 1998 to 2015, a drought caused the lake to drop by 150 foot. The Hoover Dam was recognized as a civil engineering wonder of the United States in 1955. You're actually able to stand in 2 states at one time. Now let me tell you a little story about a dog who owned a dam. During the construction of the dam, workers found a puppy at the camp and decided to keep him. He was adored by all the workers, who overfed him to the point he had to be given his own daily meal in a bag he would carry around with him. The pup would often be seen climbing ladders, riding the elevator, and he would even bark to tell the operator he wanted off. Sadly, his life ended on February 21st, 1941. He fell asleep behind a truck. The driver didn't see him. All of the men on site wept at this tragedy. Now for a little controversy, the dedication and naming of the bridge. As you're probably aware, the Hoover Dam is named after the 31st President, Herbert Clark Hoover. However, there is an interesting story in the naming itself. In the year 1928, the current United States President, Calvin Coolidge, authorized the construction of the dam. During the exploratory stages, it was referred to as Boulder Canyon Project, Boulder Canyon Dam, or even Black Canyon. This all changed on September 17, 1930, when Secretary of the Interior Ray Lyman Wilbur announced he was naming the new structure the Hoover Dam after the current United States President. This announcement was greeted with big division. A lot of the citizens placed blame for the depression on Herbert Hoover's shoulders. Even after the announcement, the papers referred to the dam by both names. On May 8, 1933, the new Interior Secretary, Harold Ickles, decided the dam's name should go back to Boulder Dam. He stated the dam should not carry the name of any living man, but on the contrary, it should be baptized with the designation as bold, characteristic, and imagination-stirring as the dam itself. After 12 years, on March 4, 1947, House Resolution 140 was introduced and signed by the 80th Congress. This resolution vindicated Herbert Hoover. On April 30th, 1947, President Harry S. Truman signed the resolution restoring its name as the Hoover Dam.